Okay, we're back. I've got a charger on this headset, so hopefully you can hear me, because if not, this is really gonna suck. Okay, so we've got let animated and let still results. The ith, or this index of the array for results is gonna call images.fixedHeight.url, which we don't really need to know what that means because it gets returned from Giphy anyway. So moving on. I'm going to do let food image or car image equal jQuery call to, I would get a lot of little punctuations here, jQuery call parentheses quotations caret image, then make sure that's right. I'm going to do food image. So this is where we assign all the attributes to food image, including the source for the still, the animations, the etc. 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 Food image dot attribute. And actually what I'm going to do, it's not images, it is image. For my purposes, it's image. You can make it whatever you want. Food image, food image. Okay. I'm going to simply and then food image. This is the fifth one. Images. Nope, not images. Food image dot add class. Food image. Okay, so the first attribute we're going to add is source, and the second argument will be still, not strill, still. Now data still for the second one, data dash still, still. Now for the third one is data animate, probably help if I had quotations around it, data animate, animated, animated. And then the fourth one is going to be data state, and then it is actually quotations still. Honestly, don't remember why, but whatever. Go ahead and save this. Remember to save yours in case, I don't know, something catches on fire. Now we're going to go food div, which I think, if we look back here, evidently doesn't exist. I think I actually create food div a little later on in this. We're going to do food div dot append, or it can be cars div, like I said, whatever. Then food div dot append food image. Or car image. One last jQuery call to jQuery parentheses, quotations, hashtag, images, dot append food div. Okay. Now I know this is all very jumbled up right now, and everything, like because we're just walking through it. We'll have this and sorry, just making sure of a couple things here. Apparently I need that for some reason. Okay, now down here, now we're going to set the how much time I've got left. 5 minutes. Now we're going to set the document attributes for state from still to animated when clicking, actually you just hover, but individual images. It's actually just like a hover if I remember correctly, but whatever. So we're going to do jQuery call document on click. Gotta love those on clicks. Then dot food image or car image, if you will. Function open close. Then we're going to do let state, like the state of the image, equal jQuery call this dot attribute. Now it's data state. If state triple equals still. So if the state triple equals still, tongue-tied, then we're going to execute this jQuery, these two jQuery calls here. This, nope. This dot attribute, src. I think the source pulls from two different sources on the image that's returned, but I could be wrong. This dot attribute data dot animate. Another jQuery call. This dot, nope, close parentheses, attribute dot attribute. God, I'm losing it. Data state animate. Nope. Animate in parentheses. Okay. Actually, that's going to be the end of that if statement. Now we're going to do else. How much time have we got left? 2.5 minutes. Open brackets. We're going to do jQuery call this dot attribute. Kind of the same thing up here. Source is going to be, no, do not close that yet. jQuery call. I think you can copy and paste most of this and just change a couple of things inside. This dot attribute data animate and then data still. Two close parentheses there. One more jQuery call in this video should be this dot attribute data state still. Close parentheses, semicolon. Let's see. I've got this, this. Now we're going to add a semicolon right there for good housekeeping. And I'm going to end this video and I'll have one last short little video where we will finish up.